In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a UML diagram in Lucidchart, a powerful visual workspace that's ideal for creating diagrams and visualizing complex systems. Understanding how to utilize Lucidchart for UML diagrams can greatly enhance your ability to organize and communicate technical information. Let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First, start by heading to the home page of Lucidchart. If you haven't already logged in, make sure to do so, as you'll need access to your account to begin creating your diagram. Once you're on the home page, look for the New button. This is your starting point for all projects on Lucidchart and will help you begin your design process. Hover over the Lucidchart option that appears. This will bring up several choices for you, one of which is to start a new blank document. Selecting a blank document provides a clean slate, a blank canvas where you can bring your ideas to life without any distractions. Now, you might notice some available templates. Although these can be helpful, let's close this section for now as we're focusing on creating from scratch. The purpose of opting for a blank document is to fully customize your UML diagram based on your specific requirements. Next, find the More Shapes button. This feature is a treasure trove of different diagram tools available within Lucidchart. Once you click on it, a search bar will appear. Here, type in UML. This action will filter your options to just those relevant to UML diagrams, making it easier to find exactly what you need. After typing UML in the search, you'll see a box next to UML options. Click this box to enable UML-specific shapes for your diagramming needs. This ensures that the tools you have on hand are appropriate for crafting a detailed and structured UML diagram. You should now see an option, Use Selected Shapes, which allows you to confirm and incorporate these selected UML shapes into your diagram workspace. Click on this, and now your toolbox within Lucidchart is populated with the shapes you'll be using for UML diagrams. In this toolbox, you'll find various UML diagram types, including UML class diagram, use case, state activity, sequence, component, deployment, and entity relationships. Each type caters to different aspects of system design. For example, a use case diagram helps visualize interactions between users and systems, while a sequence diagram focuses on the order of operations. Now that you have the necessary tools at your disposal, it's time to start building your diagram. Simply drag the desired shapes from the toolbar into your canvas and arrange them according to your design goals. Lucidchart makes it easy to link these elements and create a coherent flow, so take your time to refine and organize your diagram effectively. With these steps, you're on your way to creating comprehensive UML diagrams in Lucidchart, ensuring clear and effective communication of your systems.